Good day, everyone. Today, I am honored to present my research proposal entitled A Mixed Methods Analysis of Digital Technology Effectiveness in Social Science Education, a social constructivist perspective at Carrasco National High School, Surigao del Sur. I am Loida K. Burgos from Northeastern Mindanao State University, Tandag Campus. Let's dive into this research and explore its significance in improving education in rural communities. Technology is shaping education globally, but in rural areas like Surigao del Sur, challenges remain. One of the challenges are the rise of digital technologies in education. Many schools struggle with digital access, the teacher training, and student engagement. Carrascal National High School presents a unique case to examine these issues. This study will explore how digital tools impact social science education in specific contexts, and also unique challenges in rural Philippine settings. Example for that is the Surigao del Sur. Um, why does this study matter? First, it addressing the digital divide in education. Second, enhancing social science pedagogy in rural areas. So it explores how technology can enhance social science teaching. And then third, it uh, contributing to equitable quality education. So third, it aligns with the global goals like SDG 4, quality education, and the SDG 10, reducing inequalities. And finally, this study will offer practical solution for improving rural education. Next, prior to the research highlights key themes, the integration of technology in the Philippines by the digital divide and equity issues by David and Ong Choko in 2016, and Culture Responsive Pedagogy by Bernardo 2008 and Holman 2019, and Teacher Digital Literacy and Training, Kalingasan 2020. So it also emphasized uh, uh, this study builds upon these insights to examine technology use in rural high school. Next, this study is guided for the theoretical framework. This study is guided by Vygotsky, social constructivists, which emphasize learning as a social and as an interactive process. Digital tools can foster also collaboration with teachers acting as facilitators rather than sole knowledge providers. So this perspective help us analyze excuse me helps us analyze how technology enhances student learning in a classroom. Next, um, theoretical framework, digital equity is another key lens of this study. It highlights disparities in technologies access due to socioeconomic factors. In rural schools like Carrascal National High School, ensuring the equal access to digital tools is crucial for effective learning. And relevance to the rural context of Carrascal. And the statement of the program identifying the research gap, and despite the growing use of technology in education, research on its effectiveness in social science is education is limited. So this study aims to fill that gap by exploring the impact of the learning outcomes and um, student student teacher and student experiences and the challenges and opportunities, and also the teacher digital literacy. The research questions guiding the inquiry. To guide that research, we ask how effective is digital technology in improving student learning outcomes in social science? And how do teachers and students perceive digital tools in a classroom? So that's some of the research questions. Uh, what are the another is oh, we have the question of what challenges and opportunities emerge in the integration of digital tools. Let's dive to hypotheses. So this study proposes two hypotheses: the digital technology positive impact student learning outcomes, and the second is the correlation between the teacher digital literacy and the student outcomes. Hypothesis for the qualitative aspect, this study expects to find uh, first is a teacher and the student perception, the insights into teacher and student experiences with the digital tools. Second is the challenges and opportunities. You have to identification of challenges and opportunities. And third is the teacher digital literacy in practice. A deeper understanding of teacher digital literacy is in practice. So this research also follows a mixed methods approach, combining the qualita- qualitative methods include quasi-experimental and while qualitative, um, though an example of the while qualitative methods involve the interviews, focus groups, and classroom observation, the integration of um, both will provide a comprehensive analysis. And this study follows a structured research pathway. Um, for phase one, we have the planning and preparation. So it includes the literature review, proposal writing, and phase two is the data collection. It includes surveys, interviews, and classroom observation. For phase three, we have the data analysis and integration. It means that we have to merge quantitative and qualitative insights. And the phase four is the interpretation and reporting, which finally includes the drawing meaningful conclusions. Next, this research aims to provide empirical evidence on the digital technology effectiveness in social science education. So, informing education management and policy, it will offer insights for policymakers and educators to improve digital learning strategies in rural settings. So, also improving social science education in rural areas, and lastly is a contribution to the field of educational management, policy making. Um, what is the timeline of this study? The timeline and the budget is the study will follow a structured timeline with key milestones, including the data collection and analysis and reporting. A budget overview includes costs of technology, uh, research tools, and logistical expenses, ensuring smooth execution. And then um, that concludes my presentation. Thank you for your time and attention. So if you have any question, you can um, direct message to me, and I will also um, I will also answer. Thank you so much, sir. Have a good day. Thank you. Thank you, classmates and sir.